What if everything you thought you knew about cruisers was wrong? What if a motorcycle could combine aggressive styling, sporty performance, modern engineering, and everyday comfort into one unforgettable package? This is the Kawasaki Vulcan S, and you're watching Revive and Ride Garage, a motorcycle that refuses to follow traditional cruiser rules and instead creates its own path. From the very first glance, the Kawasaki Vulcan S looks different. While many cruisers focus on large chrome-covered bodies, oversized fenders, and a classic old-school appearance, the Vulcan S takes a more modern and muscular approach. Its low-slung profile, long wheelbase, aggressive stance, and sharp bodywork give it a unique identity that instantly stands out from the crowd. It looks powerful even when standing still. The front end features a compact headlight design that blends perfectly with the bike's modern character. The sculpted fuel tank flows smoothly into the rider's seating position, creating a sleek and connected appearance. Every angle of the motorcycle has been designed to emphasize motion and performance. It is not trying to imitate the past. Instead, it represents the future of the cruiser segment. One of the most impressive aspects of the Kawasaki Vulcan S is its engine. At the heart of this machine sits a liquid-cooled parallel twin powerplant derived from Kawasaki's highly respected sport motorcycle platform. This engine delivers a unique combination of smoothness, reliability, and excitement. Twist the throttle and the response is immediate. The motorcycle accelerates with confidence and energy, making every ride feel engaging and enjoyable. Unlike traditional V-twin cruisers that focus mainly on low-end torque, the Vulcan S offers a broader power band. Riders can enjoy strong acceleration in city traffic while also having plenty of power available for highway cruising and overtaking. The engine feels refined and modern, making it suitable for both beginners and experienced riders. The 6-speed transmission contributes significantly to the riding experience. Gear changes are smooth and precise, allowing riders to fully enjoy the motorcycle's performance. Whether navigating busy urban streets or traveling long distances on open highways, the gearbox helps keep the engine operating in its ideal range. The riding position is another area where the Kawasaki Vulcan S truly shines. Many cruisers force riders into a one-size-fits-all seating arrangement, but Kawasaki approached the Vulcan S differently. The motorcycle was designed with rider comfort and adaptability in mind. The low seat height inspires confidence, especially for newer riders, while the relaxed ergonomics make long journeys less tiring. As soon as you sit on the bike, you notice how accessible it feels. The handlebars fall naturally into place, the foot controls are positioned comfortably, and the overall riding triangle creates a sense of control and confidence. Riders of different heights often appreciate how accommodating the motorcycle feels during everyday use. When moving through city streets, the Vulcan S feels surprisingly agile. Its lightweight handling characteristics make it easier to maneuver than many larger cruisers. Tight corners, traffic situations, and parking maneuvers become much less intimidating. This is one reason why the motorcycle has become popular among riders looking for their first cruiser. The suspension system is carefully tuned to balance comfort and handling. Road imperfections are absorbed effectively, helping maintain stability and rider comfort. At the same time, the chassis remains composed when the road becomes twisty. This balance allows the motorcycle to perform well in a variety of riding environments. The steel frame plays an important role in the bike's overall character. It provides a strong and stable platform while helping maintain responsive handling. Kawasaki's engineering expertise is evident in the way the motorcycle feels planted and predictable during both casual and spirited riding. Braking performance is another area where the Vulcan S demonstrates its modern design philosophy. The braking system delivers strong stopping power and reassuring control. Riders can confidently manage a wide range of road conditions, knowing the motorcycle responds effectively when braking input is required. Long-distance touring is often associated with large heavyweight cruisers, but the Vulcan S proves that comfort and practicality can exist in a more manageable package. The comfortable seating position, efficient engine, and stable highway manners make it a capable companion for extended journeys. One of the reasons the Kawasaki Vulcan S has earned such a loyal following is its versatility. Some motorcycles excel in only one specific area, but the Vulcan S successfully balances multiple roles. It can serve as a commuter, a weekend cruiser, a touring machine, and even a sporty backroad companion. This adaptability makes it attractive to a wide range of riders. The motorcycle's exhaust note perfectly complements its character. It produces a confident and distinctive sound that enhances the riding experience without becoming overwhelming. Every twist of the throttle reminds the rider that this is a machine designed for enjoyment. At night, the Vulcan S takes on a completely different personality. Streetlights reflect across the fuel tank, shadows highlight the muscular bodywork, and the motorcycle appears even more aggressive. The low stance combined with its modern design elements creates a striking presence on the road. Many owners choose to personalize their Vulcan S with accessories and modifications. Windshields, saddlebags, custom seats, upgraded lighting systems, and performance exhausts allow riders to create a motorcycle that reflects their individual style. The bike serves as an excellent platform for customization while maintaining its core identity. Reliability is another important factor contributing to the motorcycle's popularity. Kawasaki has built a reputation for producing dependable machines, and the Vulcan S continues that tradition. With proper maintenance, the motorcycle can provide years of enjoyable riding experiences. It is not simply a cruiser. It is not simply a sport-inspired motorcycle. It is a carefully engineered combination of both worlds. Kawasaki took established conventions, challenged them, and created something refreshingly different. Years after its introduction, the Vulcan S continues to attract new riders and impress experienced enthusiasts. Its combination of style, comfort, performance, practicality, and value remains highly relevant in today's motorcycle market. Few motorcycles manage to achieve such a balanced blend of characteristics. As the engine settles into its smooth rhythm and the road stretches endlessly toward the horizon, the true purpose of the Kawasaki Vulcan S becomes clear. It was built for riders who want freedom without compromise. Riders who appreciate modern technology but still crave the emotional connection that only a motorcycle can provide. Riders who want a machine capable of handling daily responsibilities while remaining ready for spontaneous adventures. The Kawasaki Vulcan S stands as a bold statement in the cruiser world. A motorcycle that breaks traditions, challenges expectations, and delivers an unforgettable riding experience every time the starter button is pressed. For those seeking a cruiser with the heart of a sport bike and the soul of an explorer, the Vulcan S remains one of the most compelling choices on the road today. This beast is not defined by size alone. It is defined by character, capability, confidence, and the endless desire to keep moving forward. Every mile tells a story, every journey creates a memory, and every ride reinforces why the Kawasaki Vulcan S has become one of the most respected modern cruisers ever built. Thank you for riding with Revive and Ride Garage. Until the next adventure, keep the engines roaring, keep chasing new horizons, and keep the spirit of two wheels alive.